Hey everybody, Johan Magnuson here, Big Sweet Barbecue, and today we're making smoked tenderloin with a green pepper sauce on the Memphis Pro Cart ITC3. The first thing that we want to do is prepare the beef tenderloin, so here's how we do that. Start by tying the beef tenderloin with some butcher twine to make sure that it keeps its shape during the smoke. And we got a beautiful prime tenderloin here that we're going to smoke. Now we want to season this all over with a salt, pepper, garlic rub. We used our own Big Sweet Barbecue Badass Texas Boost. Then you want to let this sit for about 45 minutes before cooking. The tenderloin is prepared, so it's time to light up the Memphis Wood Fire Grills and start smoking. So here's how we do that. We're going to start up our Memphis Wood Fire Grill, and we're going to set it to 225 degrees Fahrenheit. And we want to use oak pellets for this cook. Now we're going to place the tenderloin on an elevated rack to ensure good smoke circulation around it. We're going to place a stick of butter in a small cast iron pan. Then we want to place the pan in the grill as well. We also want to tie together a couple of sprigs of rosemary and thyme to make a nice little brush. Throughout the cook, we're now going to use this brush to baste the tenderloin with the butter. And we're going to smoke it like this until it reaches an inner temperature of about 110, 115 degrees. So while we're waiting for that, it's time to start preparing the green pepper sauce. We're going to heat up a large saucepan, and when hot, we want to add a tablespoon of butter. Then we're going to finely dice one shallot and add to the pan. We want to saute this until the shallot is translucent. We also want to finely chop 1 tablespoon of tarragon and add to the pan. And we're also going to add 3 tablespoons of green peppercorn in brine to the pan as well. Saute this for a minute. Then we want to add a couple of tablespoons of cognac, and why not? Let's flambe it. You want to reduce the cognac, and when almost dry, you want to add half a cup of Madeira wine, and again reduce until almost dry. Then we're going to add 3 cups of beef stock, and we're also going to add half a cup of roasted turkey demi-glace. Now we're going to reduce this until it thickens up. You want to add another tablespoon of green peppercorns, and then we're going to add about half a cup to a cup of heavy whipping cream. And we want to reduce this even further. The green pepper sauce is ready. The tenderloin is sitting at an inner temperature of between 110 and 115. So now it's time to remove it from the grill and set up the Memphis Wood Fire Grill for direct flame grilling. And here's how we do that. We want to remove the tenderloin from the grill and let it rest in an aluminum pan covered with some foil. We want to increase the temperature of the grill to 500 degrees. When we have a good ember bed going, we're going to remove the indirect flame insert and insert the direct flame insert. We want to set the grill to direct flame mode and extreme heat. While keeping the lid open, we're going to quickly sear the tenderloin on all sides. And when we finally have a nice char, we want to remove the tenderloin from the grill. Now it's time to slice the tenderloin, and look at that. Perfect medium rare. And now we want to serve this with our wonderful green pepper sauce. And that is how I make my smoked tenderloin with a green pepper sauce on the Memphis Grills Pro Cart ITC3. If you want to know more about Memphis Grills, check out their website, memphisgrills.com. And I think the only thing left to do is to try the tenderloin with the sauce and see what it tastes like. So here we go. Oh, it looks so good, and it smells even better. Yeah. The tenderloin melts in your mouth, and then the green pepper sauce, it's so well balanced. I really hope you try this at home. Happy grilling.